Hi guys, it's Emily with Super Sister Fitness, and I'm so excited to do a 4-move fat-burning HIIT workout with you today. Let me tell you what we're gonna need for today's workout. Whether I'm working out at home like I am today or at the gym, there are always a few key essential items that I wanna bring with me to have the best workout possible. So in my gym bag, which yes, I do carry around even if I'm doing it at my house, I've got a few essential items. I always wanna have some shoes, headphones for music, my phone to keep track of my intervals, and of course a way to stay hydrated, especially when doing high intensity interval training. So today I'm drinking Gatorade Zero, which is brand new from Gatorade. I'm drinking lemon lime today, but it also comes in orange and Glacier Cherry, which sounds really good. I'm really glad that Gatorade shared this with me because I'm always looking for a zero sugar way to stay hydrated. And it's gonna keep me nice and cool and hydrated during this workout. It's HIIT, it's a hot summer day. I'm gonna sweat my face off, so let's do this thing. One thing that's gonna be absolutely essential before we do this workout is that you've warmed up. If you haven't gotten in a good warm up yet, please stop this video, pause it, and go warm up so that you can come back and do this high intensity workout. We're gonna get straight into very dynamic movement, so that warm up is really important. We'll do 1 round together, but I want you to then go back and do 4 total rounds. It'll only take you 20 minutes and you're gonna get in an awesome burn. Okay, I'm gonna play my timer. We're starting up with lunge jumps. One leg goes back and we're gonna jump to alternate sides. This is why I said a warm-up was gonna be really key because we go right into it. These are not easy by any means. Whew. Oh my goodness. Whew. You can always do just the lunge back if you need to. 15 seconds to go. Try to finish it stronger than you started, guys. I know we're getting tired. I can feel it too. 5. Whew. And recover. Okay, 15 seconds. The next exercise, we're gonna travel side to side. Oh my goodness. Straight out of the gate. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Curtsy to a squat, jump. Curtsy to a squat, jump. Take it down, squat. Make sure that your hips go back behind you on that squat. You're bending your knees and keeping your chest up tall. Use the curtsy as a little bit of a recovery for your heart. Make sure that you're breathing. Ooh, almost there, guys. Last few seconds. Last one. And time. Okay, 15 seconds. I was not messing around when I planned this workout. Third exercise, on the ground. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4 mountain climbers. Push up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure, especially as you get tired, that you're keeping good form, guys. With that push up and with the mountain climber, you want a nice straight line going from your head all the way to your heels. Whew. Almost done, 5 seconds. Get in one more push-up. And rest. Okay, so what I'd recommend is that after we do this one, you take 1 full minute of rest so that you can go again. Okay, final exercise. We're gonna do a side plank. Bring your hands down, hop forward, hop back, side plank other side, forward, back, plank on the other side. Now, with that hop forward, I like to bring my feet wide so that I can make room for that hop. That way I don't have to round my back a whole lot. 10 seconds. Finish it strong, my friends. You're almost there. This is why we are here for the challenge. Ew. Ooh, other way. Oh, I would make sure I did 2 more on the other side for the next round. Nice job, you guys. Whew, so that was only 4 minutes of work. That was intense. I definitely need some hydration here. Whew. So again, go back, do that one for 4 total rounds. Again, I recommend a minute of recovery between each round, because as you can tell, I for one would definitely need it. 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you, Super Sister Fitness, for having me. Thank you, Gatorade Zero, for giving me this awesome drink choice. I will see you soon. Have a good day, guys.